Hey, Chris Lipe here, helping you make music, guitar, voice, recording. And there's one thing that ties all music together, and it's our ears. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the foundation for a great musical ear. So here it is. Learn to internalize the major scale and start thinking about it not as just notes, but as numbers. So most of us are familiar with the sound of the major scale. And most of us can play that. What we want to do is start making the connection between each note and a number. This is a C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We want to call the first note, C, we want to call that 1. A lot of people refer to this as root, but we're going to call it 1 for now. 1, and we're just going to count up as we play this major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Those notes are the same. They're just an octave apart, so they're both going to be called 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. You could really play the scale anywhere, in any way, in any key. Once you've associated the numbers with the sound of the major scale, this gets you started on the path to developing a great ear. So we could take this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and we could play it in the key of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now where it really gets cool is when we start being able to sing the major scale with numbers, for now in order, with a tonal center. So let's choose A. If we can, with our voices, without playing the major scale along with our singing and just providing that solid tone, we are exercising our ear. And even if you're not that comfortable with singing, this is a great exercise. It's going to make you more comfortable with your voice for sure, but it's going to solidify a lot of things in your mind when it comes to your ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take it to D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't really care what notes I'm singing. I don't care that that's a D. 1. I don't care that 2. I don't care necessarily that that's an E. Although I've grown to be able to realize those things over time. What I really care about is that I'm singing the correct intervals over whatever my 1 is. I'm playing the 1 and I'm singing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 with the single note that I'm playing. This gets even more fun when you start introducing a chord and rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you've got the scale down in your ear and in your voices in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you've learned it as sort of a melody and kind of tucked it away in your mind, we want to start messing up the order of the notes we're singing. So everything that we sing over a particular chord is going to have a number assigned to it. we're going to continue the process of thinking about the major scale in terms of numbers. And we're going to scramble up the order so that we can start thinking of each interval, which is the distance between each note, or in this case, the distance between the root or the 1 and another number. We want to start thinking of those distances as musical pieces in and of themselves. For example, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 3, 1, 3, that sound, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, has a particular sound. Because we're going from 1 to 3, we're going to call that a third. If we go from 1 to 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, we're going to call that a fifth. If we go from 1 to 4, we're going to call that a fourth. 1, 4, 1, 7, call that a seventh. So choose a chord, choose a good old strum pattern, and see what you can do just going from note to note, all the while keeping the numbers in mind. I guarantee you this is going to be huge for your ear. It's the foundation for so many things. Being able to harmonize with another singer, being able to pick out notes that you hear and play them before you even play them. You won't have to hunt and peck for notes as much because you're going to have these numbers and these tones associated in your mind already. 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 1. I'm grounding my ear in the 1 both with my voice by coming back to the root quite a bit or the 1 quite a bit, and I'm grounding myself, my ear, with my guitar, with that E chord in this case, but you could use any chord. Just make sure that you're centered in it, and then do exactly what I did. It's about being creative using the numbers, associating numbers with notes over a particular musical context that you invent. This is a great way to get started developing your ear. Let me know how it goes. We'll see you for more. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1.